There's an explosion of consumers now because anyone can ask a question of data. Because AI now exists, you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to know how to use a BI tool. You don't have to know how to write SQL anymore. So anyone can ask questions. That means more and more people are going to be requesting access to data. So we need a way to scale these people that have to review all these requests. So one way to do that is what we call Review Assist, which will look at historical approvals and denials for data. And based on what that user looks like, those users look like in terms of their attributes and groups and how they answered the questions when they requested access, we'll use that and find trends. So when a new user comes along and requests access, we can look and say, hey, this looks like someone that's already been approved or someone that's already been denied, or we're not sure, maybe you want to temporarily approve them. So this should really help speed the reviews, but more importantly, make them more consistent across different users that are doing them. And we'll also automatically fill in the justification of why you should be approving or denying, so you don't have to think about what to type there either. You can just submit it if you agree with it. So it's really going to make things faster and accelerate everything that's happening in terms of the review process. I think what's happening in the market right now is there's a lot of push to manage access to data, which is quite different from managing access to applications, which these historical tools that have existed for doing that just don't scale the data, because with an application, you either have access or not, or there might be like 3 or 4 levels of access within an application. That's pretty easy to manage. When you talk about data, you're talking about different sets of tables, different sets of columns, even different sets of rows within those tables. So we're talking hundreds or thousands of permutations of access. So not only do you have more data and different access levels that you need to manage, but also you have more people, because more people can ask questions of data. So it becomes untenable for these teams that have to do the reviews.